So, here we are. You've made it through all the episodes, all the principles, and countless jokes about pineapple pizza. Congratulations! Now it's time to tie it all together with a final look at what makes our manifesto the heartbeat of our community. Let's kick it off with unity. Because what's a community without, well, community? We support each other, cheer each other on, and occasionally share memes to remind us why we're all here. Next up, capital accumulation. It's not just about stacking coins, it's about using those stacks to fuel progress, spark innovation, and build a sustainable future. Plus, it's nice to know we're all aiming for a win-win. And speaking of winning, let's talk about competition and goal orientation. We don't just play the game, we play to win. Whether it's reaching new heights or setting the bar for excellence, we're all about striving for greatness. Of course, none of this means anything without collective success, because when one of us thrives, we all thrive. Think of it as the ultimate team effort, no one's left behind. Now let's get serious with equal opportunity and access. We believe fairness isn't optional. Whether you're a newbie or a crypto guru, everyone deserves the same chance to succeed. Then there's economic integration and responsibility, which is just a fancy way of saying let's be smart, ethical, and forward-thinking. We're not just building a global economy, we're making it one we can all be proud of. And of course, code is law. It's simple. Trust the code, not the chaos. Smart contracts keep everything transparent and secure. Think of it as the ultimate referee that never misses a call. For those moments when things get tricky, we've got the non-aggression principle. It's all about respecting autonomy and solving conflicts peacefully. Because a world without arguments over pineapple pizza is a world we can all get behind. Then there's voluntary cooperation, because teamwork is way more fun when it's by choice. We come together, not because we have to, but because we want to. And that's how magic happens. And last but definitely not least, multicultural exchange. Diversity isn't just a buzzword, it's our superpower. Different perspectives, traditions, and ideas make our community richer, stronger, and more innovative. So there you have it. 10 principles, 1 community, and a whole lot of reasons to believe in what we're building. It's more than a manifesto. It's our mission, and we're just getting started. Join us and reach your next crypto level.